Hey homeowner, this is Shaun with Foundation Solutions Group, and if you have a crack in your concrete foundation, you may be wondering if it's something you can repair yourself and how to do that. Today on Solutions University, we're going to be talking all about foundation cracks. Not all foundation cracks are created equal, so how do you know what's minor and what's a big red flag? Let's break it down. First, there are small hairline cracks. These are usually cosmetic and pretty common. Concrete naturally settles. Could be a cure crack. If the crack isn't growing, your doors and windows are still opening easily, it might just be at the surface level. These can often be sealed with a caulk or a DIY concrete repair kit. But if you got larger cracks, especially ones that are wider than 1/4 of an inch and are growing over time, it's time to call in a professional. Bigger cracks may point to real structural issues like settling, poor soil conditions, or even tree root interference. And if the crack is a load-bearing wall, that is a structural warning sign that could never be ignored. The walls will literally support your home's weight, and any cracking there needs to be looked at with a trained set of eyes. One professional method that some foundation repair companies use is a high-strength epoxy that gets injected into the crack. This bonds the concrete together and restores its strength, and some big box stores sell epoxy injection kits. But here's the thing, professionals have the right tools, product, and experience to do it right, and more importantly, we know when a crack is not just cosmetic. The problem with epoxy injection is it doesn't get to the root of the problem, which is usually hydrostatic pressure. So while they may provide a temporary fix, it is not a good long-term solution. Bottom line, if you spot a crack in your foundation, don't guess. Let's get one of our experts to take a look. A quick inspection now can prevent major problems and costs later. Now, if you have a crack in a block wall, that's a whole other subject, and we'll cover that in our bonus video, so be sure to click on the link at the end of this video and for more information on those types of cracks. Reach out to Foundation Solutions Group. We're here to help protect your home from the ground up. And thank you for joining us today at Solutions University, and we'll see you again next time.